we're going to be joined by Burke Franklin, who has sold over 2 million units of his software called BizPlan Builder over the last 30 years. All right. So, Burke, what would be like a statement that would excite people about business plans? I could probably go grab something. I searched for a business plan right over here. So looking for funding in your business, accept no substitutes, the #1 business plan software that everyone trusts. And I'm going to say newly revised for 2018 because last time we wrote an ad for you, it was right over here. How's that sound?
I think it'd be better to speak to what it actually does. Otherwise, we're talking about, it's like asking somebody what time it is and you explain to them that it's how a watch works. And really writing a business plan is I think of it as an elaborate sales brochure, if you will.
Okay, elaborate sales brochure. Okay, so here is the ad that we have now crafted. Do you have a unique business concept worthy of funding? We added in emojis. We added in all kinds of things right into it. We added bold and italic. And here's the problem. I go grab this and I go over to Facebook and I want to write a post with this and I post it in and this is what it looks like. It doesn't, all the bolds and italics and all the formatting is gone. Now, if you have a really long post, it's even more pronounced.
Well, so you have to redo all the formatting otherwise. If you
right, so now if we go back to SociJam, which is why this tool exists in the first place, not only do you have all your editing tools right in here to create your posts, if you click the next button, it's now created, and then all you do is publish it. And right in here, these are all the social networks, and when you upgrade to the Pro version, all these become unlocked. This is Facebook for Business, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Google+, Google Docs, Blogger, Skype. Our team has tested SociJam with all these different social networks. Now check it out. Now I go back to my post. I'm going to delete this post, and I'm going to paste it in. You see, it's exactly the way I wrote it, okay?
So obviously the formatting within SociJam is retained.
It's all retained because it's using something called Unicode. Unicode is what is the world moving toward because of mobile devices and emojis, and Facebook and all the networks were sort of moving away from styling because you can't really use fonts. Imagine if everyone on Facebook could put all kinds of fonts and colors on it. It would look like a trash bin really quickly.
Yeah,
so the limits of what they allow you to do is have this right in here. All right. So now the next thing you do is you put in the URL. Okay. And I'm just going to go grab this link. Okay. And as soon as you put HTTP in front of it and you go to the end like this and you hit the space bar, watch what happens. It's now going to fetch the preview of BizPlan Builder and put it right in there for you.
Man, I've not been to do much with Facebook, but I, hear it's just there. It's ubiquitous. But now that there's a tool to help me do it, and it's a one-time price. I mean, that's a no-brainer. Tool to do it. I think it's great, Vic, because you're training on Facebook. You're the guy. You're kind of like the go-to guy that I think of who knows how to game everybody's system. If anybody knows how to game the system, you do. And in effect, what you're doing is basically showing us how to use Facebook. They put all these pieces in place, but they don't make it very easy to use them. And that's why I appreciate what you're doing here is the training is de minimis compared to the return on investment we're going to get out of it. The tool makes the mechanics of doing this easier. You showing us how to do it with the tool. What's not to like? So, yes, sounds like it's a good thing. I'm ready to go. As soon as you're going to launch this thing, I'll buy one.